Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together a new mascara by Essence, and this is the You Better Work Volume and Curl Mascara. It is gym proof and waterproof. For the spring summer collection, Essence has released two new mascaras, and the other one is this one here, the Length Definition Mascara. This is also gym proof and waterproof, and I am going to test this one in a future video. As always, I am going to do a wear test so we can see if the mascara is smudge proof, long lasting. The price for this one is €2.95 and we get 10 milliliters of mascara. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite Essence mascara, and also share this video with a friend that likes Essence products. This one claims that it gives maximum volume and curl effect during your workout and your leisure time, so this is the perfect mascara for everything. In a previous video I have tried a lot of You Better Work products that they are also gym proof. You can find the video here. I came a little closer so you can see my lashes. Let's see what we have with this mascara. Ooh. Okay, so we have a curved brush and we don't have plastic bristles. For me, this brush is something that I can work with, and it's not very big. I can use it for my eyes because I don't have very big eyes and I'm not able to use very thick brushes. I think we don't have microfibers in this one. I don't see any. I start by applying mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, so far so good, and let's see the upper lashes. This is how they look with only one layer. I think they look very defined and I like the color. It is a black rich color. I think the brush did a good job. I am going to apply one more layer. This is how my lashes look with two layers of the product, and I think it looks very nice. I want to use it also on the other eye. I always have problem with this eye because I am right-handed. It gets messy. The tube can hold the excess product, and I also like the brush. The first layer looks okay and my lashes are defined. Let's continue with layer number 2. Be careful, don't apply a lot of product because you can make them clumpy. I would say one layer with this mascara is enough because with the second layer you can clump the product. I think the brush is the same with the Stylist and Hold. If by accident you start clumping your lashes, clean your brush on a tissue like I have done. I mean the applicator of the mascara. Clean it on the tissue, and before your mascara dries, comb your lashes again. I like the idea of only one layer because that means I will do my job easier and faster. Now I want to see if I will have any flakes of product during the day, and also how easy it is going to be to remove this one because it says gym proof. And I'm very worried because I have another mascara by Essence that I like a lot. This one here, the Lashes of the Day Super Volume Mascara. This one doesn't say if it is waterproof, but it is so difficult to remove it. I'm a little bit worried for this one that says that it is waterproof. I like how my lashes look for now, and this mascara gave them volume and length. I also like the lifted effect. I always need that with my eyes because I have a small eyelid space and I want my lashes to look big with only a mascara. If I use any false lashes, I'm not able to see the beautiful eyeshadows that I have on my eyelid, so I depend on my mascara working and giving that volume that I want. Hi guys, it's been almost 9 hours and let's see what happened with the mascara. So as you can see, I don't have any flakes of the mascara on my under eye area. Also, I don't have any smudges. That's very good. And I was wearing my glasses all day. Sometimes my lashes are hitting the glasses and I have some flakes, but I don't have any smudges and it looks very nice. I am also going to update you if the mascara is easy to remove. Let me know if you have a favorite drugstore mascara, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can watch here some more reviews of Essence eyeshadow palettes. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!